What's going on, guys? So today is the day. Wheels and tires are coming in for Larry, and I am freaking hyped. I think I'm more excited about this than I was with the freaking Forces, which is crazy, but maybe it'll make sense later in the video. But I'm super excited. So today's plan is headed to work now, wait on them to call me, and as soon as I get off work, I gotta go pick up Larry and then go over to Trey's shop to get an alignment done on Larry. I don't know if I'll put him on tonight. I probably will, because you know, you get excited. You gotta put him on, because it's gonna look awesome. It's gonna completely transform the car. Wheels and tires make the vehicle. I don't care what anyone says. That's the number one thing that changes a completely transform a vehicle. So this is gonna be the big decider on how good Larry can look. So I'm pretty dang excited. Hopefully y'all are as well. And so I guess I'm gonna go wait on Wheels and Tires to show up at work, and then probably catch up with y'all whenever we head to go get Larry's alignment. I also did want to give a quick little shout to Mr. Young7 on Instagram. He sent me out some of these XS energy drinks, and even this one that is cranberry grape blast. Like, I was like kind of hesitant to try this one. Dude, it's freaking good. And there's a tropical one. I can't remember, it's tropical something. It's a blue can. I have not even tasted one that I did not really enjoy. So if you're interested in them, Google them, check them out. But if you want to get some, definitely hit him up on Instagram, Mr. Young7. He can get you hooked up with a case of them. And dude, I've really enjoyed them so far. So y'all holler at him. All right, guys, well, we just came here to scoop up Larry. We're about to head out, get the alignment done. But we did end up getting the wheels and tires today, thankfully. Baby Squat is slap full of wheels and tires right now. Obviously can't let y'all see just yet. Later in the video I will put them up next to Baby Squat and just let y'all see them in comparison with Baby Squat, because everybody wants to see Baby Squat with this setup. But anywho, so old Larry, dude, this is gonna, wheels and tires is just gonna absolutely transform this thing. It's gonna be insane, absolutely insane. So off to the alignment shop we go. Getting her all dialed in and straight. Be riding good. So just got back from getting the alignment done on Larry. So I'm gonna kick the Duramax out for a little bit, because I gotta get these wheels and tires on. I can't wait till tomorrow. We gotta have some daylight or interior lighting, because I gotta put these things on. I'm freaking hyped. Duramax gotta go. Last look at Larry with the old stalkers on here. So obviously, somehow, some way, some reason, I did not receive the correct lug nuts, which is annoying. And as well, two of these center caps on the wheels fit very good, and then two barely go into the wheel. Like I guarantee they're gonna fall out going down the road. All right, guys, well, it is actually 1 week after, actually a week and a day after getting the wheels and tires in for Larry. So y'all saw a quick little thing about the lug nuts and the center caps. So basically what they told me on the center caps is there's not much they can do. They said if they fall off, they will get with me about getting some replacement ones. I'm sure they'll honor that. Hopefully they will. Hopefully they won't fall off, but I'm not, you know, one of them they barely fit in, one of them it's still loose too. So we'll have to see about that. But they had me marked down for the right lug nuts, but somehow I got shipped the wrong ones. And it's one of those things that happen sometimes, I guess. But And then of course Monday was a holiday or whatever it was, and so the post office was closed, and so it ended up being a week and a day since I got the tires. I got the lug nuts in. They're supposed to be delivered. Hopefully, fingers crossed, bro, that they are freaking the right ones and we can get Larry up and going, because it's been killing me. Also picked up a sweet yard sale deal steel today for Larry. That'll be in another video, but I'm really excited about getting it, and it'll be really sweet too. So yeah, that's the plan. That's a quick synopsis of what's going on. Let's hope the lug nuts are right. Maiden voyage, baby. Where them tires at? There they are. I hear them winding up. Straight too. Woo! I was so worried because it was riding like garbage after the alignment with those other tires. I swapped around because I was going to put these on and I couldn't, and then I put the other ones on. I put them on differently than they were on there, and it was riding horrible. Now we got some smooth tires, bro. We're on a straightaway right here. Let's see. Let's get it straight. Money, boy. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Y'all hadn't even seen it yet, but dude, y'all have to hear that. Y'all definitely hear it on the wind down. Oh my god, Schubert! Woo! Dude, I am so freaking, oh, that looks so sick. I'm so excited. What do you think? I'm freaking in love with it. I think it looks absolutely insane. So I went ahead and kept it kind of classic on this one, just because, you know, it's an old Ford, it's round, you know, I don't know, I just didn't, we've got two trucks with big wheels, and I just thought it would be just perfect. One of you guys commented and said something about keeping it like generation appropriate or something like that, something different terminology, but similar to that. And that was exactly what I was thinking too. So we went with the Ion Alloy 16 by 10, and they are -38, and that is a 305/70 16 Nitto mud grappler. So it's a 33 by 12 by 16 rather than the 12.5, which is the standard 33. It's a little bit skinnier, which is perfectly fine. You'll see when I have these up next to the Baby Squat, you'll see a little bit of comparison between the Aturos and these are a little bit skinnier. Obviously they're 12s instead of 12.5, which half an inch doesn't seem like much, but it actually equates to a decent amount. Obviously, as you can tell, the front, due to the spindle lift, does stick out a little bit more, and so wheel spacers in the rear will be pretty much required, which is no big deal. But once we do have the rear wheel spacers, goodness, I can't talk, it's gonna have a good bit of stance. So like I said, 16 by 10s, -38. And we've got some just gosh awful weather here lately, so the truck's filthy, everything's filthy, but it's fitting for this truck because this ain't no show truck. This is, none of mine are, but you know, this is just going to be the fun around town dirt road fun truck. And so, like I was saying, with the wheel spacers on the back match the front, I mean, it's just beefy as heck can be. And I think it looks freaking insane with this stuffed look. I mean, you really, the 3-inch was just about perfect. We'll have to do a little bit of trimming to make it not rub, but I mean, this looks freaking sick with it stuffed like this. There's not a whole lot of clearance above the tire. and it's, you know, thankfully Ford with a round fender wells. It's just freaking perfect. So 33s, 3-inch spindle lift. I think it came out freaking awesome, and I think this truck is, what is this, 3-4 video on Larry, and it's already looking this good. I could not be any more excited. I've got several things lined up as well for Larry in the future, and it's just going to get better from here. So I've been driving this thing for a couple days now. I've been trying to wait on the weather to come out better, but it's just not going to happen. So anyways, I've been driving for a couple days, and we still have all the tire dits on here. So that is a good sign that our alignment is happy, because if it wasn't, it'd be dragging and, you know, pulling those off at some point, which they obviously will with mileage. But that just goes to tell me that the alignment is happy on it, which makes me feel much better, because, well, earlier in this video y'all saw I was excited that it was riding good, which it does. It still shakes on braking, because I need to either get new rotors or flip them, or I just need to get new brakes in general. But yeah, I'm freaking hyped. Larry's looking good, man. I got some stickers on here. Got the old lmfscrew YouTube decal, and then the custom offset star, which I have them flip-flopped on the Duramax and the 1500, and then on this one I did it up and down. So all got the little star. I just think that star looks cool, but all in different orientation, so it's swaggy. So Larry's freaking, man, Larry, I told y'all, Larry's freaking killing it. We need to do some serious cleanup on this paint at some point. Try to bring some good color back into it. It's just kind of got that faded look. Needs a little help, but I've got some good things coming for Larry, and I'm excited. So for anyone interested in these wheels and tires, here's what we're looking at. The wheels were $592, and the tires were $1,337. So, you know, you're gonna pay for mud graps. It's unfortunate they are that expensive, especially for a 16-inch wheel. But, you know, mud graps are mud graps, and they can charge whatever they want, because people really pay it. Even in today's era where mud graps are not super popular anymore. I mean, you know, 5 years ago they were the tire. Now there's a lot more options, and due to Nitto not giving the best options with sizes, like you can't give them for 22s and stuff, it kind of sucks. So that's kind of hindered them as well. But basically they're still just charged whatever they want, and so $1,337, kind of pricey, but had to get some mud graps. All right guys, well, that's basically gonna do it for this video. I'm gonna go ahead and get out of the rain, but let me know what you think about Larry. Hopefully you did enjoy. With all that being said, we out of here. On to the next modification. Snagged you, boy. Alright guys, just want to give y'all a little look with Baby Squat, because everybody wants mud graps on Baby Squat. So a little look at what it would look like with these 16x10s and 33s. Boy, it's been too long since I had mud graps. And these are 305, what were they? 305 70 16s. So if you notice, they're a little skinny. These are actually 12 wides instead of 1250s. I'm sure I already mentioned that, but you can kind of see the comparison right there. They are skinny. And we got sidewall, boy. We can go curb romping now. No problems. Old bullet holes. Oh, mud graps. I can't wait to drive this thing. It's gonna sound so dang good.